Meural uses gesture control to give you touch-free and effortless control of your display. Your mural comes with two built-in gesture sensors, one on top of your frame and one at the left side of your frame. These gesture sensors are active at all times, so choose whichever sensor works best for you. When you rotate your frame into portrait orientation, the sensors are now positioned on the top and right side of the frame. Your frame detects slow, steady motions of your hand. For the best gesture recognition, hold your hand about an inch away from the frame and slowly and steadily move your hand about 4 inches from one side of the sensors to the other. Wave left or right to change images. Wave up to learn more about an image. Wave down to access the frame menu. You can also change the direction of your gesture direction in the Canvas settings in the Meural app. Open the Meural app. Tap Canvas at the bottom right-hand section. Tap the gear icon. Scroll down and switch the gesture direction feature on. You can now use the opposite direction to control your mural. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the NETGEAR channel for more tips and tricks for your mural.